At what point do the lines represented by these two equations intersect? Your first equation is this one, and your second equation is this one. We're talking about this equation, 3x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0, and the second one is 2x minus y minus 2 equals 0. Let's take the first equation right here and get rid of this negative 3 over here. Move it over here as a plus 3. In other words, we're going to add 3 to both sides. So I end up with the 3x, the 2y, the equals, and you have 3. So that's my first equation. Okay? Do the same thing with the second equation. Move this negative 2 over here and make it a plus 2. In other words, we're going to add 2 to both sides. So I have 2x minus y, these cancel, equals 2. So there are my two equations in standard form. All right? Now I'm going to double this second equation here because I want to get a negative 2y. Okay? So I'm going to multiply everything on this bottom equation by 2. Double everything. There's my first equation. Doubling the second equation, you have 2 times 2x. 2 times 1y is 2y, and it's negative because this was negative. And 2 times 2 is 4. Adding these up now, I'm going to get 7x equals 7. Okay? Now, the variable's x, the coefficient of the variable is 7. I will divide both sides of the equation by 7. So that x then is 7 over 7, which is 1. Taking my second equation, this one, okay, this, and writing it down here, okay, and so I'm dealing with this and this now, okay, two equations here, all right. So copy them up here, and in place of x now, in the second equation, I'm going to plug a what? What am I going to put in there for x? Well, x equals, plug a 1 in there. You're getting 2 minus y equals 2. Okay? Now, I'm going to do something most people don't do. I do not like having a negative y. Okay? So I'm going to draw a line and add y here and here. Okay? So you're going to end up with y, okay, and equals. Now I don't want to have a 2 combined with a y. I don't want to have 2 plus y. I just want y all by itself. So I've got to get rid of that 2 now, don't I? So I'm going to subtract 2 here and here. 2 minus 2 is 0. Negative y plus y is 0. This equals y. Okay? Remember, x was 1. Y is 0. Okay? X is 1. Y is 0. We're talking about answer B.